Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to resolve shipping issues on eBay. So open eBay application on your device and then navigate to my eBay section that is located at the bottom side of your screen, and then scroll down and not scroll down. Here in the shopping section you will see purchases, and here you can view your recent purchases, basically orders. As you can see, unfortunately I don't have any purchases, but if you listen to my instructions, I'm convinced that you can do that. So here find the item with the shipping issue and tap on it to open the order details. Scroll down and there should be the button Help with Order, and choose the issue that fits your situation. So it could be item not received, or for example tracking not updating, or something else depending on your situation. Then eBay will guide you through the steps to contact the seller, or for example request a refund if you want that. Again, as I said earlier, depending on your situation and your issue. And for example, if you don't get a response or some kind of solution within 3 business days, come back to the Help with Order button, and you can tap their button Ask eBay to step in. And you can track all the communication and progress under notifications section, and go to buying section. And here, if any notifications occur, they will be displayed right here. So that's how you can resolve shipping issue on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.